Welcome to Beautyistic, where we bring you honest and insightful beauty reviews. Today, we're diving into a product that might just change the way you take care of your dental health: the Amazon Basics HydroClean Portable Cordless Water Flosser. If you're someone who struggles with flossing or finds traditional string floss a bit cumbersome, you might be on the lookout for an easier, more effective solution. Well, let's see if this portable water flosser could be the answer. Before we get into the nitty-gritty, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and click the bell icon so you never miss out on our honest beauty and wellness reviews. Now, let's get into it. The Amazon Basics HydroClean Water Flosser is a cordless, portable device designed to clean between your teeth and along the gum line with ease. It includes two pressure tips, one for low pressure and one for high pressure, giving you the flexibility to adjust based on your comfort level. The water tank is removable for easy refills, and the device offers 30 seconds of water capacity per use. Plus, it comes with two AA batteries to get you started right away. In terms of design, the HydroClean is lightweight and easy to hold, making it simple to maneuver during use. The quick release feature for changing tips is convenient, so you can switch between the low and high pressure options depending on your needs. The fact that it's portable makes it a great option for travel, as you don't have to worry about plugging it into an outlet. Simply fill the tank, turn it on, and you're good to go. During my own testing, I found the water flosser to be incredibly easy to incorporate into my routine. The low pressure setting was perfect for a gentle clean, especially in the morning when I just want to freshen up. The high pressure tip, however, was a game changer. It was excellent for getting into those hard to reach spots and for deep cleaning after meals. It felt refreshing and left my mouth feeling cleaner than regular floss. The biggest strength of the HydroClean is its portability. You can use it anywhere, from your bathroom to a hotel room while traveling. It's also incredibly user-friendly. No complicated setup, just fill, press, and go. But the 30-second water capacity is a bit limiting. It may not be enough for those who like to take their time during flossing or need more coverage. If you have a larger mouth or prefer more time to thoroughly clean, you might find the water running out too quickly. As for the pros and cons: pros, convenient, portable design, perfect for travel, quick release tips for easy switching between pressure settings. Comes with batteries included, so you can start using it right away. Effective at removing food particles and cleaning along the gum line. Cons: water capacity may be too short for some users, 30 seconds. Not as powerful as some high-end models with larger tanks. Now, when we consider value for money, the Amazon Basics HydroClean Water Flosser offers good functionality at an affordable price point. It's not packed with extra features, but for a simple, effective water flosser, it gets the job done. If you're someone who wants a basic tool for oral hygiene without breaking the bank, this could be an excellent choice. However, if you're looking for something with more advanced features or a larger water tank, you may want to consider other options in the market. There are other portable water flossers out there, some with bigger tanks or more adjustable settings, but they tend to cost more. If you're on a budget and just need something straightforward and reliable, this one does the job well. In terms of build quality, the HydroClean feels solid for its price, and the removable tank design is a convenient touch. As for longevity, it will likely hold up well over time if maintained properly, though the plastic construction feels less premium compared to higher-end models. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. And if you're itching to get your hands on this water flosser, the link is in the comments. I haven't had a direct interaction with Amazon's customer service for this product, but given Amazon's general reputation for handling inquiries efficiently, I'm confident any concerns you might have would be addressed promptly. Now, if you've used this water flosser or something similar, drop a comment below. Let us know your thoughts. To wrap it up, the Amazon Basics HydroClean Portable Cordless Water Flosser is a solid, budget-friendly option for those who want a simple, effective way to keep their teeth and gums clean. While it might not be for everyone, it's perfect for anyone seeking convenience and portability in a water flosser. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.